Welcome to Doing Our Bit. I'm Adrian Smale, and today I'm sharing my experience of living with air conditioning for heating and a smart tank for hot water in the UK. Having had the system for a period from October now till March, I can now assess this for our winter 2023-2024. We had air conditioning fitted back in August last year, plus the Mixergy tank for hot water, to replace our combi boiler central heating system, which was controlled by the excellent Tado thermostat. If you're still on gas with a conventional thermostat, check out this video as to why this is an excellent upgrade at a modest cost. But anyway, we opted for an air-to-air heat pump, which is what air conditioning is, because an air-to-water system wasn't an option for our property due to the length of the pipe run. What you need to know. You can jump to any section you're particularly interested in using the time markers listed here. But firstly, controlling the system compared to a combi gas boiler. Pros and cons. Like the Tado system, the Onecta phone app can control the heating from anywhere. But one major difference is that whereas you can use individual thermostats in the Tado system, air conditioning is very much more about heating the rooms you're in rather than necessarily heating every room. You do have schedules you can set up, but because heating is so quick, unlike central heating, we largely just manually control the system via our phones. I've installed min-max thermostats which also measure humidity on each floor plus the loft. Overall, I'd say the Tado system is the most hands-off, easy system with its geolocation tech, but I wouldn't say managing the Dakin system is too onerous. I will certainly show this in more detail in a future video. Number 2, hot water control versus combi boiler. If you think of the tank as a large thermos and you have access to time of day tariffs, this solution is definitely cheaper to run than gas. Our Mixergy tank has a simple to set up schedule with a fortnightly heat to 100% for Legionnaire's disease, which can run the whole year. You just got to remember to record your holiday so it stops while you're away. 3, no radiators, drying clothes. Removing all the radiators had the consequence of removing all those drying spaces, but we have resolved this with an electric heated airer, which my wife absolutely loves, and it's in one place, so the first example of a necessary adaptation. Number 4, why humidity control is important. One thing you will see online as an issue with air conditioning is the fact that it dries the air, and this can lead to coughs, sore throats, etc. Humidity below 40% is not good for us health-wise, but we have controlled this very successfully with these little nice units that double as atmospheric lighting and also houseplants. All positive additions to our living space, but another necessary adaptation. 5, noise outside and in. An issue? Another thing that may put you off is noise, but I have to say both inside and out we haven't found the units to be noisy, and the quiet mode internally is super quiet. Six, cosmetics, the look of the units. Very subjective this, but compared to radiators that take up a lot of usable wall space, I think they look better inside. Outside we have used a trellis and a plant to screen the units from the front, but again, not a deal breaker for us. Number 7, running costs, more or less. The efficiency of the units have been surprisingly good, even better than I expected, as these numbers show, although we have to factor in the fact that this winter was the warmest UK numbers ever recorded. So, would I recommend it if you can't have air to water? Absolutely, accepting that there is certainly no government assistance save some small VAT helps. You do need to take advantage of time of day tariffs and ideally solar and battery infrastructure to load shift as much as you can, so that your average cost per kilowatt hour is significantly less than the standard rate, as you can see in my analysis. But overall, the system brings definite benefits to improve your home, as well as having the bonus of an environmental benefit. I hope you found this short video useful, and if so, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.